Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some must-know smartphone tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your device. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about battery life. One simple trick is to enable dark mode. This not only reduces eye strain but also conserves battery, especially on phones with OLED screens. You can usually find this in your display settings. Next, optimize your storage. Smartphones can quickly fill up with photos, videos, and apps. Regularly delete unnecessary files, and consider using cloud storage options like Google Drive or iCloud to back up your media. You can also offload unused apps to free up space without deleting them entirely. Do you know about the power of gestures? They can make your smartphone experience much smoother. Learn the gestures specific to your phone's operating system. For example, swiping up from the bottom often takes you home, while swiping from the side might go back. These small actions save time. Another useful tip is to master the art of quick settings. Accessing Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other frequently used features shouldn't be a hassle. Customize your quick settings panel to include the toggles you use most often. Notifications can be overwhelming. Take control by customizing your notification settings. Decide which apps can send you notifications and how they appear. This will help you stay focused and reduce distractions. For improved privacy, review your app permissions. Many apps request access to your location, contacts, and other data. Go through your app permissions in settings, and revoke access. That seems unnecessary. Your data is precious. Did you know about Find My Device? Enable this feature on your phone. In case your phone is ever lost or stolen, this feature can help you locate it, lock it, or even erase your data remotely. It is a must-have. Don't forget to use your phone's camera tricks. Most smartphones offer various shooting modes, like portrait mode, panorama, and slow motion. Experiment with these modes to capture better photos and videos. Finally, regularly update your phone's operating system and apps. Updates often include security patches, bug fixes, and new features that enhance your overall user experience. This keeps your phone secure and running smoothly. That's all for today. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.